Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable desktop notification from monday.com on your PC. So to do that, click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on My Profile. On the left side, click on Notifications, and here you'll have desktop notification. All you have to do is click on Enable, and you will see that it pops up and say you've turned off monday.com desktop notification. Here you can see on the top it says that if you want to allow it, it basically says that the notifications are blocked. I can click on that and simply click on allow. So once I click on this allow for this site, it will enable it for me, and now you'll be able to relaunch your browser and you'll be able to have that enabled on monday.com. At any point in time you want to disable it, guys, now what's going to happen is that it is set up within your browser, so you'll need to find this in your browser and delete it if you no longer want that. To disable it, I'm going to walk you through the steps as well. So you want to open up, you want to simply go to the three that's on the upper right hand side in your browser. I'm using Chrome, by the way, but the steps are pretty much similar. And I'm going to go down to where it says settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on privacy and security. Then from here, you want to go to where it says site settings. Scroll down and you'll find notifications. Click on that. And you will find in the list as well, it shows monday.com. So, and here you can see it says team monday.com. To remove that, just click three dots and click on remove or block. It's really up to you. I'm going to remove it. But that's it. So if you're looking to enable desktop notification from monday.com, this is how you actually do it within your browser by simply enable the desktop notification. As well, you want to ensure that you have notifications. If you enable notifications on it on your browser as well or within monday.com, you want to ensure that the notification on your PC is also enabled and not like in do not disturb. And to do that, simply click on your time on the lower right. It's going to open up this sidebar here, and here you will find notifications at the top. So currently, if you override, it says do not disturb is off, and that's good. So you want to ensure that this is always on and not in do not disturb or disabled, right? Once you have that, it simply means that you will be able to receive notifications through your PC. And once you have that added in your browser as well and enabled, it will allow you to also receive notifications from your browser as well. So they work hand in hand. So that's pretty much it, guys.